Hello everyone. Today we are starting with mixed base method, that is 3 into 2 digits. Till now we have learned how to do multiplication between 2 digits and 3 digits, but this is the method in which we will learn 3 digits into 2 digits. If you haven't watched that video, I'll put the link in the description. Go and watch all the series to understand this method much better. Okay, so moving forward to our first example of this method, suppose we have 102 into 98. Now we have to see that this number is how many times greater from 100. This is plus 0 2 times, and this number is smaller than 100. Okay, if you haven't watched my above the base and below the base method, please go and watch so that you can understand that method much better. Okay, so now you can see that plus 02 and minus 02. After this we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay, in my last video I told you the rule that plus, if we are multiplying these two signs, we will get minus, right? So plus into minus, we'll get minus. Now 02 into 0 plus 02 into minus 02 is 04. And why we are writing two digits over here? Because I even told you that when we are dealing with 3 digits, we have to compulsory write 2 digits in one block. Okay, the same pattern applies over here even. Now we will do cross addition or cross subtraction. Okay, anything you will do, you will get the same answer. Suppose we have to do 102 minus 02, or you will do 98 plus 02. You will get the same answer, that is 100. Okay, now what we have to do to remove this minus sign, I'll change my pen so that it's clear to you. Okay, this you have minus sign here. You cannot write minus in your answer, so to remove this minus sign, you will do minus 1 over here. Okay, so 100 minus 1 is 99, right? Now this you have got 04 over here, so this 04 you have to subtract this number from 100. Okay, so 100 minus 04. Okay, what you can write down the steps clearly. I'll put down the steps in the description. Okay, so 100 minus 04 is 96. So your final answer will be 9996. 9996 is your answer. Okay, this method may take a little time to understand, but this is very easy to solve the questions. 2-3 questions I'll make you understand, then you will understand it much better. If you want, you can take the screenshot or rewind the video. One more question I'm explaining you, after that it may get clear to you. Okay, so we have a question 105 into 99. Okay, here we can see we can write 05 over here, and here we can write minus 01, because this number is smaller than 100 and this number is greater than 100. So now multiply these two numbers. So plus 05 into minus 01, we will be getting minus 05. And we have to do cross subtraction or cross addition, whatever is easy for us. Now I'm doing the cross subtraction, so we'll get 104. Now to remove this minus sign, we will do minus 1 and we'll get 103. And this number we have to subtract it from 100, so 100 minus 05 is 95. So our final answer will be 10395. I hope you understood. Okay, third question I'm giving you all just for a try. You can try it out and I'll do it for you. You can check the answer afterwards. Okay, just for your evaluation I'm giving you. Okay, now you can pause the video and start doing till the time I'll do it for you, so that after that you can check the answer. Okay, so here we are getting plus 0.5 and here we are getting minus 0.5. We'll multiply these two and then will we get minus 25. Now we'll do cross subtraction or cross addition. So we'll get 100. Now to remove this minus sign, we'll do minus 1, get 99. You don't have to write any of the steps, okay? Try to do all the calculation from, just calculate it from your mind, right? Now 100 minus 25 is 75. So this is your answer. I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, moving on to the different pattern of question in the same method. We have, suppose 1 2 1 into 90. Now you will see that this number is 21 times greater than 100 and this number is 10 times greater than 100. Now if we multiply these both numbers, we are getting 210 minus 210. Okay, now do the cross subtraction or cross addition. We'll get 111. Okay, now to remove the minus sign, we'll do minus 1. Okay, try to understand this one clearly. Now you will get 110, but here you are getting 3 digits, right? In here you are getting 3 digits. When we are dealing with 3 digits number, these are 3 digits, we have to only write bases are 100. So this is 3 digit. Now we can only write 2 digits in one block, okay? Because this is a mixed base question and our base is 100. So we can only write 2 digits in one block. Now to remove this, we have to do minus 2 even. So 110 minus 2 is 108. I hope you understood this much clearly. I'll explain you with one more question. Okay, because we are getting 3 digits over here, so we have to remove this third extra digit also. Okay, now we are left with 10. So this leftover 10 will be subtracted from 100. Okay, as usual we did in last 3 questions. So we'll get 90. So our final answer will be 10890. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you. If I'll explain you with one more question, then you can practice it. So suppose we have a question 1. Okay, this one, if you understood, you can do it by your own. Pause the video and do it by your own. Or else I'm just explaining it once again with a new question. So this is plus 22 times greater than 100 and this number is minus 10 times. Multiply these two numbers, you will get 220. Now do the cross subtraction, you will get 112. Okay, or cross addition, whatever is convenient to you. Now here we got minus, so do minus 1 here. We'll get 111. Now this 2 is extra, right? This 2 is extra, so we'll also do minus 2 over here. So we'll get 109, and then this 20, what is left over here, we have to subtract it from 100. So 100 minus 20 is 80. So our final answer will be 10980. I hope you understood. There is a worksheet in the description. You can try it out, and if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section below, and subscribe the channel to get the notification of my new video, so that you can complete your course. I hope you like the video. Bye bye, have a nice day.